Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Earlier, we were watching that after breaking out a huge falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart, Bitcoin was struggling to break out a key resistance on. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Bitcoin that I shared almost 3 days ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal guard pattern that Bitcoin formed with US dollar pair on a 4 hour time frame chart. Not a 4 hour, on a 2 hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. And after hitting the sell target zone, the price line again moved down. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that I shared on 4th of March, few days back. And this pattern was formed on the daily time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that this time the price line first slightly moved down, then this potential reversal zone, but recovered very soon. And then we had a very, very big rally. That was, by the way, more than 37% pump. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that was also formed on the 4 hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started another very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you here on the weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line has already broken out a very, very big falling wedge pattern. And I was telling you that after breaking out this big falling wedge pattern, the next biggest resistance will be here. That is a complete resistance zone from $28,600 to $30,000. And now we can see that the price line for the past 3 weeks is struggling to break out this resistance that starts from $28,600 and goes to $30,000. Previously, when we had this huge rally, then in the month of January 2021, we tested this support. So you can see for several weeks, we have been testing this support here and here as well. And last time when we broke it down, then we tested the previous resistance, support as a resistance. That was at $30,000 here. And then we completely broken it down. And now we are again reached this resistance on. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame chart on the 4 hour time frame chart, previously we were watching at this breakout from the falling wedge pattern. After that, our target was here at the top of the wedge. And you can see that we rallied beyond that target. And now here the price line is rejected by this resistance of $28,600 that we were watching on this weekly time frame chart. And now we are testing a short-term support, by the way, here that is at $26,533. Previously, when we had this rally, we got rejected by this resistance. And here we tested this level as a support, and here as a support, almost here as a support as well. And now you can see that we have recently tested this support level a few hours ago. And if the price line breaks down the support level, then it can drop down to the next very long-term support that is at $25,000. And if we switch back on the weekly time frame chart, then we can see that previously this $25,000 was working as a resistance here and as a resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a nice support. Now, at the same time, we can see that the price line also formed a bearish reversal pattern that was a diamond top. And here we had the resistance for this diamond top. And here we had the support. And this was another resistance here. And here we had another support for this diamond top pattern. And recently you can see we have broken down the support of this diamond top pattern. Now, if we take a look at the target to the downside after this breakdown, then the target can be here. That is, you can see approximately at $25,665. But in my point of view, if the price and breaks down this support of $26,533, that is a quite short-term support, by the way, and for the past several days it is working as a nice support, then we can drop down at this long-term support of $25,000. But at the same time, if we take a look at the oscillator, the stochastic oscillator on this 4 hour time frame chart, then we can see that there is a bullish divergence flashed on this chart after this breakdown. The price line formed this low here, and the next low is getting formed lower than the previous one. And at the same time, just below the price line, we can see that the stochastic formed this low here, and the next low is getting formed higher than the previous one. So there is a bullish divergence flashed on this chart, but it is also possible that if stochastic moves more down and forms another lower than previous low, then this bullish divergence can be removed from the chart. But so far, so good. We have this bullish divergence on this 4-hour time frame chart. And this is the signal for the price reversal. And until or unless this support is not broken down, this $26,533 support, and we have this bullish divergence signal here, then still there is a probability that the price then may start another reversal from here and try to break out this resistance of $28,600. Within the next few hours, it will be confirmed. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge falling wedge pattern, because we have already broken out this wedge, then the target is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $70,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.